Yeah, g'day guys. Today we're at Cam Sur Water Sports Complex, CWC. It's 5 p.m. on a weekday, Thursday, and it's cooled down a lot. We're outside of Naga City, probably about 5-10 minute drive away. So let's have a look at all the fun. Go-kart rental. Pedal power. And you can get these bad boys for this is where everyone gets changed and puts on their gear, ready to surf the water, I guess. And also the skater boys. Plenty of fun if you want to do a bit of rolling. Lovely restaurant. You can also play a bit of pool. You can come out here and have your refreshments under the hut, or mini huts. And there's a lovely, beautiful swimming pool. And right next to the swimming pool, we have these huts where you can avail yourself to a massage. I might try one later tonight. Awesome. Another one. Go, go, go. Yeah. Oh, you beauty. 10 out of 10. We also have a running track. With bike riders. Hi everyone, I'm just talking to JP and he's the cable supervisor. And JP, just give us a brief description of what guests and people that come here, what they can expect when they visit this this nice place.
Okay, yeah, first of all, welcome guys to the CWC Wake Park, also known as CWC. So we are offering you guys like the world's famous wakeboarding park here.
Yep.
So we've got like a big cable here.
Yep.
We can offer you like ridings and stuff, and we've got winch park as well.
Yep.
And we've got ATVs.
Yep.
Kayak.
Okay.
We've got skate parks, pump tracks, golf course. So like most of the people come here, it's like all over the world.
Okay.
Like
what age group? All age groups?
yeah, all age groups. Like
Okay.
mostly I'd say like from let's say 15 to like 30 or above.
Above?
Like,
Okay.
it depends.
Okay, I
So
see.
like busiest time here. It's
Yep.
like if these places like their winter
Okay.
escape. So
Yeah.
like whenever those guys like has winter, they just like come here.
So the weekend obviously is a lot busier than the weekday.
Yes, like
Okay.
for the locals, yes, because you know like weekends, like no work, so
Yeah,
just,
yeah.
like, go here, have some fun.
And I notice you have cabins that you available to rent out overnight and weekly and
yeah,
monthly.
we've got hotels as well.
Oh, I see.
So, like whenever you come here, like it's like all in one place.
Okay, and I noticed that if you have aches and pains, you also offer a massage, all different types of massage service.
Yes, we
Okay.
offer as well massage, and we do have restaurants here.
Yep.
So
And I also saw you have a nice bar and billiard room, which is
yeah,
really
billiard
good.
table.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, one of the amenities as well.
Yeah, okay. Nice to meet you, sir. Thank you. Righto, these are the operating hours, Monday to Sunday. And they are the cable rates, followed by the aquapark rates, Filipino peso, and finally the adventure trail.